YouTubing on my babies. It's your girl Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell your mama and them, because we're litty over his ear. Without further ado, y'all, before we move along, I have an honorable mention. Y'all, so y'all know I live in Dollar Tree, baby. Or should I say $1.25 and up tree. Y'all, if y'all see these, get y'all one of these. Now, I didn't buy this whole thing. I only bought, I only bought these 5. But I took the thing. I didn't want to leave the empty thing in the thing. So I was like, let me just take them. But y'all, these taste good. You know what these taste like? If you like lemon heads, these Tic Tac Sprite version, Sprite versions, whatever. They taste like lemon heads. Get these. You can get these from Dollar Tree. At my Dollar Tree, they be having them up by the register at the checkout line. Hold on, y'all. Let me take a little swig. That's my cup. Y'all had purchased this. Where I get this from? Marshall's. Y'all, I love this cup. I love this cup. It keeps everything cold. I'm currently sipping on. What am I sipping on? It ain't no adult beverage, y'all. What is it? Oh, excuse me. What is it? Cran grape with some ice. Well, it's like a piece of ice in there. I gotta go get some downstairs. But anyway, y'all, we got an unboxing. I got 3 packages, and let's get it. They call me Tony the Tiger because my work was great. Frosted Flakes. If I'm lying, then I'm flying, man. That's that old Jeezy. What's this? Okay, so this is for Father's Day. This is for my cousin because he loves the Kansas City Chiefs. So we got him a throw. So we gonna put this to the side. I'm glad that came in time, baby. Dun, 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 dun. Let's get it. I was listening to that old Jeezy earlier, y'all, so I gotta excuse me. Can y'all see? Okay, there we go. So y'all, I'm not saying I'm purging my bags. I gave away some, sold some, and this, that, and the other. But anything that I'm purchasing now, as far as like a bag collection, whether it's for real, like a real one, or a dupe, or whatever the case may be, I want to add pieces that are like Y2K vintage, but that stands out, like I don't have like nothing close to it. So I decided, y'all, to get this bag. I have seen this on YouTube before or whatever. I think this is supposed to be the dupe of the, what is it? What's the bag called? I think it's the Gucci Horsebit collection, and I just thought it was so cute. Yeah, it's kind of small because I think, do these come in different sizes? So I want to say the other one, they're big. I don't know, but I got this one because I thought it was cute, and it just gave me Y2K vibes. It has silver hardware because y'all know I get a lot of gold hardware purses. So this has the silver hardware. It has the Gucci red and green right here. This is the back part. Little purse strap. It has the magnetic closure. Inside is green, and it does come with a longer strap. When it comes to room, it ain't that much room in there. This is basically a cutesy purse when you're just trying to be cute. It comes with this little chain and stuff, because I think it's like you could chain it, or you know, make it look like it's decked out and stuff. Cute little strap. You can wear a crossbody, or you know, on the shoulder and stuff like that. Y'all know I always get my own guitar strap, but I have this color guitar strap. I think I had purchased it from Amazon. So yeah, I'm probably going to wear that when I wear this. And I thought this was just so cute. And it was, how much was this? I want to say this was 50 bucks off the gate, the DH. I know I really don't mess with them all like that, but when it comes to the expressway, it's getting harder and harder to find items on there, and y'all, I'll be tired. So I decided to get this. This is the Gucci. Is it the Afilda, or y'all know what I'm talking. Y'all know if you into the fashions and the purses, you know what I'm talking about. This is, I think it's the Afilda, or is this in? Oh no, this is just the horse bit one. Y'all know. If you don't know, now you know. And let's see, what's this? Ooh, let me not. That's not written nothing. What's this? And I love the Gucci monoprint one. Ooh, okay, this came too. Okay. Let's see. Hey, y'all, I've been wearing dupes since I was young. Because my mom and my auntie and my godmother and them, they used to be going to those, back in the day, our parents used to go on those New York trips. Them New York bus trips. I think it would be like one whole day or whatever, where they would just go up there and shop. And my mama, like, I used to be wearing the Vine Dutch, what was it? The LV, the Vine Dutch, a whole bunch of dupes. But I remember, I think I had a similar dupe like this back in the day when I was younger, and I thought this was so cute. So I just said, why not? So I got this little, it's like a, what would you call this? It's not a messenger bag, but it's kind of like a messenger bag. I thought it was cute. Has the Gucci red and gray. I was gonna say red and gray, red and green. Has this nice size pocket in the front. The sides are black. This, I don't know if this version of this purse has ever came out, but I don't care. Y'all know I don't care. The inside, it came with this strap. And then pretty decent size. You can fit a lot in here. So this is cute when I just want to carry something not too big, not too small, but just enough to carry my, my essentials in there. So we got this. Oh, y'all, we got one more bag. Let me get up and get it. Let me go ahead and get up and get it. So I don't know when y'all might see this video, but depending on the timing, it's currently June 1st. And yeah, I finished this, what was that, spring semester, 2024 spring semester. Your girl passed. I got straight A's this semester. I got another scholarship, y'all. Thank God, because the Lord knows I needed it. So yeah, your girl finished. So I'm officially a senior this August. And I will be graduating, because I don't know when their graduation ceremony is. I won't find all that details out until November, because that's my guidance counselor told me we'll be, applying for, graduation, doing all that stuff, getting ready for that stuff. So your girl's about to graduate. Like, I'm scared, I'm excited, I'm mixed of emotions. It's like, it's literally down to the end of the road. I remember when I first applied, and I had told my grandma, my uncle, I'm like, I want to go back to school. I was like, because I have my associates, but I was like, I want to go back and get my bachelor's. I at least want to let my mama and my family see me walk this last time. And I always promised myself that I would at least go back to get my bachelor's. So yeah, so I'm kind of like just getting prepared, even though it's June 2024 and I don't graduate until, what is that, like May of 2025? That's literally around the corner. And I don't want to wait till the last minute. So I've just been picking up stuff for graduation. Of course, y'all know I'm doing my own nails. But when it comes to like my hair and my feet, I'm getting those done. Don't know how yet, but we'll figure it out. Because y'all know I'm not the girliest girl. So we'll see. As far as clothes, depending on how the weather's going to be, I'm like, I want to wear a jacket suit or something cute. But y'all know me, I'm going to be fully in diva mode when it comes to what I'm gonna be wearing. Now, I'm not wearing nothing like dressy girly, because that's just not me. That's not me, darling. But when it comes to accessories, I'm trying to figure out, like, you know, what accessories I'm, you know, gonna do. I know I'm gonna get me a sash personally made. I decided I'm going to take senior pictures. I didn't take senior pictures when I graduated. Oh, I didn't take senior pictures when I graduated high school, 8th grade, college the first time. So I decided that I'm going to go out with a bang. So I'm going to take my senior pictures and get me a shawl made. And yeah, it's just, I'll keep y'all updated. Y'all know I'm going to vlog. So I wanted to get a purse that was going to stand out. Something that's me. And y'all know I love glittery stuff and glitzing and glamsing. So I decided to get this purse for graduation. And I'm gonna find some shoes to match it too. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make the shoes myself. I know I'm not gonna pay somebody else to do it, because if I can pay somebody else to do it, I'm gonna do it myself. But I'm gonna either do it myself or buy them already bejeweled. So I want to wear bejeweled shoes. So I got this purse so it can match it. I got this from AliExpress. And I thought it was so cute. It's just small enough, because you know, on graduation you don't want to be hauling like nothing big. Like, you know, I remember the first time I graduated, I was crying everywhere, hot, trying to be cute. I think what I had, well, I had a short hair quick weave, I think. I'm gonna try to post some pictures up here from when I graduated in 2014. But y'all, had a short quick weave, looking real sexy. Not sexy, but sexy. So this time, you know, I'm just like, we're gonna do it. So yeah, I got this little bag because I'm like, oh, I want a statement piece. It's gonna be my day. Like, come on now. I want it to be like, like, you did that, girl. Like, you did that. So I just thought this was cute. This is the bottom of it. It has feet. I'm trying to be real dainty with it. This is beautiful. And it's not like the way it shines in person. I don't even think the camera is doing it justice. And it's just so, ooh, it's so cute. So yeah, it kind of looked like a little garbage bag. A little bedazzled garbage bag. So yeah, y'all. So we're going to keep this wrapped up until it's time to walk the stage, and I'm not wearing this no time sooner than then. So baby, we gonna rock out. So yeah, y'all, this was my mini haul. I'm gonna keep y'all updated with the stuff that I'm gonna be doing for school, getting ready for school, because I want to share my world with y'all. So yeah, y'all know how we rock and roll. So hope y'all enjoy the video. Hope to see you guys on the next one, and bye. See ya. Whitney LeBron say it. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. Bye, y'all.